Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to reset your Instagram Explore page in 2021. It's actually really simple and easy to get done. It takes about a minute to do. Now, obviously, you just got to head over to your Instagram application and open that up. And then if you just head over to your magnifying glass, your little search option at the bottom of your Instagram screen here, you'll see that it will bring you to your Explore page, just like this. Now, I'm going to show you guys how to reset this if you guys are sick of seeing the same stuff here all the time. So now, how to reset this is you just go over to your profile page, and then you want to go to the top right corner. You see the three lines there. Click on that, and then just click on Settings. Under Settings, you want to click on Security. And then under Data and History here at the very bottom, you'll see Clear Search History. So what this is going to do is going to clear your recent search history on your account, so your Explore page will show different things. So we're just going to click on Clear Search History, and then you'll see all the accounts and stuff that you recently searched. So once you've done that, you just want to click on Clear All at the top right and Clear All. Once that is done, you guys can go back over to your Explore page and then just reset it. And then you will see here, it will then reset your Explore page very quickly. Anyhow, I really hope I was able to help you guys out with showing you guys how to reset your Explore page in 2021 on Instagram. If this video does help you out, be sure to leave a like on this video and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching.